Hey guys, I'm back with another video, part 2. Okay, on the last video I installed a grill, some new lights, but this grills and lights are not brand new. They just come from another truck. Extra parts that I got that'll make this truck look better. So ran into the problem, don't have the parking lights, the little, lights down here. So went through my parts and found an old one. It's gonna fit right in there, okay? But I don't have the one for that side. So what I'm gonna have to do is improvise with parts over here that I didn't throw away from last time. So what I'm gonna have to do is use this, which I don't want to have to, but I'm gonna have to. It's all faded. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna sand it down, get it smooth, and paint it black. We're gonna paint this black. We're gonna paint it black, and then after I paint it black, sand it down, paint it black, then I'm gonna install it right here. Yes, I think it's gonna look pretty good. This is the only option we have at this moment. Okay, with the side pieces right here, went through my parts that I got in my garage. And found the parts to go on here. So they chrome clear side markers. So we're going to install these today also. So we're going to get all this cleaned up and get that on there. But we're going to sand these down and paint them and put them in there. Yes, today. We're going to do that on this video. All right, see you in a second. Okay guys, I'm sanding these down so I get ready to paint them. And you have to sand them down so they can be smooth surface. So when I paint them, they will look good. Yes, see how that come off the sandpaper, all that dirt? Okay, after you sand it, you wipe it down clean, and then we are gonna spray these black. Get the areas nice and shined up, and the sandpaper scuff it up so when the paint can can grab onto it. Now it's ready for paint. Okay guys, we ready to paint right now. We outside. So you ready to paint these bad boys and let them dry. Got my black paint. It look pretty good. We're gonna let it dry and hit it with another coat later. Okay, time for this one. If it have a little runs in it, it don't matter. You can sand it down and paint it over again. But just have even coats over all the parts. And let it dry for like 15 minutes. And after it dries, we're gonna reinstall them. All right? All right guys, they dry now. We can install them. So we're gonna install them and see how they look. All right. Well, okay guys, I painted the park lights, signal lights. And I got the side markers in place. I had to put a little glue around it because the grill is kind of off a little bit. But I'm gonna fix all that. I'm gonna smooth it out. So tell me what you think, guys. Tell me what you think. You think it's a thumbs up? Or you think it's a thumbs down? I think it's a thumbs up for parts that just was laying around in the garage and I made it work. It's like free upgrades. Next I'm gonna work on the bottom bumper. Then after that, we're gonna start working on some of this paint. I'm gonna water sand all this paint, and we'll start working on the tires and stuff like that later on. But this is the end of this video, and we'll be back. I know it's like gaps and stuff, you know, in here. So, you know, might try to fix that, fix some of the gaps, kind of hide some of it in a different way. Fix, I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of this right there. I might cut this off and make that into like a mesh grill. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So thanks for watching, and I'm out.